7 Questions of Reliability-Centered Maintenance. An effective reliability-centered maintenance implementation examines the facility as a series of functional systems, each of which has inputs and outputs contributing to the success of the facility. It is the reliability, rather than the functionality, of these systems that are considered. The SAE JA1011 has a set of minimum criteria before a maintenance strategy can be called RCM. The 7 questions that need to be asked for each asset are: First, what are the functions and desired performance standards of each asset? Second, how can each asset fail to fulfill its functions? Third, what are the failure modes for each functional failure? Fourth, what causes each of the failure modes? Fifth, what are the consequences of each failure? Sixth, what can and or should be done to predict or prevent each failure? Seventh, what should be done if a suitable proactive task cannot be determined?